matches. You and me, we go good together. You and I, we go good together. We go good together. We go good together.
Jessa, from the first day we met, I was intrigued by you. You left me thinking a lot. And as time passed, I realized that I was falling in love with you. When I first met you in person, it was one of the best days of my life. You were so maganda.
Maging maunawain ka at love you. Love na love kita.
Thank you, nanay, sa paglalabada. Naitaguyod mo kami. Naiyak si nanay.
Mahirap at ginahaba, mahirap.
Tay, ako ang magme-message, Tay. Chill ka lang. Relax ka lang dyan. Hindi ka nagsawa sa pag-aalaga sa amin kahit sobrang dami namin. Dinagdagan mo kasi kami ng dinagdagan. Guwapo ni tatay, na-in-love ka? Hindi. Tay, message. Ayan na, eto na. Dito ka na magsasalita. Message.
Ang may papayo ko sa iyo, maging maunawain ka.
Yun lang.
Dahil yung kasama mo sa buhay, lagi kayo nagkakaroon ng hindi magandang pag-uusap.
Mahirap kasi mag-English eh.
Ikaw na mag-adjust.
Hirap kasi mag-English.
If you need some help, just
Yes.
call my name.
And I'll be there.
Just call me Roger Moore tomorrow, no more.
I take a look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary.
We've been together now for almost 6 years. I remember we're only praying the border will open so we can finally meet each other.
Up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Tay, thank you sa pagsasaka at pagsusuga kay La Bueno ng ilang taon at kay Rancho. Ayan,
Rancho Bueno.
Panis, hindi yan rancho yan, rancho.
Rancho Bueno.
Napag-aral mo ako sa private at sa pag-CCA mo, cash advance, para makasama ako lagi sa field trip, sa lahat ng ganap sa school, sa sakripisyo mo sa aming magkakapatid. Thank you sa disiplina at hindi kami lumaking pariwara. Thank you, Tay. Love you. Very good. May grading period pala to. Very good.
Thanks, God.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground.
Looking back, we just keep on praying and praying and hoping, and I realized God answered all our prayers. There's no more 24/7 calls because now we're together.
Next to the sea, whenever you're next to me, oh my, my. What was in black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to fight something so out.
You're my best friend. You have helped me, cared for me. I am the luckiest man alive as you become my wife. Mahal kita, Bubu.
Angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so
I will always be here for you. I am your best friend. I'll be with you in good times and in bad times. You are the love of my life. And I love you.